Welcome to another edition of Organizers Direct How-To video series. In this video, we're going to learn how to set up the headed cam jig, otherwise known as the Gizmo.
So when you first get your headed cam jig, when you open up the box, you're going to have these three components. You're going to have the hex driver for your screw gun, the headed cam, and then a stud template, which we don't use. So for our purposes, we're just going to get rid of that. The first thing you have to do with the headed jig is set up your backstop and your depth stops. So the backstops for the cams we're using are adjusted by using these black levers, and we're going to move them over to 9.5, which is the setting for our cams. We also have to set the depth on the cams, and for the cams we use, it's a 13, so there's a number along the side here. To adjust it, you just press the black knob and then adjust it over to where it gets to 13 and release the knob. It's as simple as that. I've already adjusted the other two. Also, prior to using the jig, you need to take the red knobs and extend those up, and it moves a stop out of the way that we also don't use. Whenever the jig is not in use, take the hex driver, clip it into the jig so they're always together. Lastly, we also have on this the clamp for clamping it onto the board, and that's just turning the knob and that adjusts the clamp.